Hello, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play 5 easy pop songs for beginners. You can download one of these free handouts in the link below. If you need any help doing that, please get in touch. Before we start, you might want to consider getting hold of one of these. This is called a plectrum. Now it's used to play the strings or pluck the strings, but the result is that you get a much brighter sound. You can use your thumb, but today we're going to use a pick. The first song is called Marry You by Bruno and it goes like this. So you'll notice that I'm just picking or plucking the top string. If you play all of the strings, it's going to sound a mess. So we're just going to concentrate on picking the top string here. Now the first fret or the first box here that you're going to press down on is number 1. So for now I'm using my index or first finger and I'm going to press down nice and firm on the first box on the top string. Or you can use, if your fingers aren't strong enough, you can use 2 fingers. I'm going to play this just on its own, just the top string, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next note is number 3 and it's still on the top string here. So let's find number 3. 1, 2, 3. And again we're going to play this 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before we move on, it's probably a good idea to practice the change from number 1 to 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to zoom up or whiz up to number 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. If you've got these fret markers here on the fingerboard or on the top of the neck, it's sort of in between the second and the third dots. So you're going to do 8 of number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then finally, it's number 1, played 8 times. The key with this song is to play all of these notes from one to the next with a short gap, well, as short a gap as possible between each one. So there's no point in playing it really, really quickly with these big long pauses in between each note. So you want to play it nice and smooth. And see if you can play it a dozen times, or 3 or 4. And then try playing along with the song itself. Okay, the next one by Bruno Mars, the second song down, is called The Lazy Song. It goes like this. So it's very easy, this song. It starts off on the 7th fret, or the 7th box along on the top string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You do 2 in this one, just the top string. Then you're going to pause or rest, and then find number 9. The next note is number 9 on the 2nd string down, which is called the A string or the 5th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 up from the bottom. It's number 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the 2nd string. You're going to do 2 in here. Now one thing to be careful about is picking the right string. Some beginners tend to stick on the top string. So whatever string you're pressing down on, make sure that your right hand is going to pluck that string. So let's go back to the first note, which is 7 on the top. 7, 7. Then with your right hand, move your pick down to the 2nd. Then with your left hand, go along and down to the 9th fret. Do that twice. Then to finish off, we're going to slide these 2 fingers down to the 7th fret box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, on the 2nd string down, and do this twice, pause, then twice again. So the general rule is to play 2 notes, then pause or rest, another 2 notes, pause, pause, or rest. Okay, let me show you the lazy song from the beginning after 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 7, 7, 9, 9 on the second down, 7, 7. The next song is called Get Lucky by Daft Punk, and it goes like this, or Daft Punk if you live in the south. Okay, you're going to do 4 on each note. There are 4 notes in total. So the first one is 7 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You play 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then move down, move your finger down to the second, or the 5th string up, to number 5. Play 4 of these. Make sure with your right hand you're plucking that string as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find number 9 on the second string down and play 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then number 7, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 7 on the top string. You do that 4 times. Then the rest of the notes, the last 3 of remaining notes, are played on the second down. So it's number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, to finish off, it's number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So try playing this song a couple of times until it sounds nice and smooth without any big gaps between each note. Okay, the 4th song is Dynamite by Teo Cruz, and it goes like this. It's 9, 9 on the top. You do this one twice. 7, 7 on the top. And again, so 9, 9. 7, 7. Then we move down to the second string. 7, 7. Then up to the top, but down to number 5. So we start off with 9, 9. 7, 7. Moving down to the second string. It's actually the 5th. Then 7, 7 on here. Then up to the top, but the 5th fret box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the final song, 5th and final song, is What Makes You Beautiful by One Direction. And it goes like this. It's very easy, it just has 3 or contains 3 notes. It's double 0. But 0, what's 0? So these are called fret boxes. Frets, so that's fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you see a 0 written on the guitar music tab, it means just to play a string on its own. So if we see 0, that means just to play the top string on its own with no fingers in your left hand. Or rather, no fingers pressed down on the fret or the fingerboard here. So we do 2 0 zeros, or 2 open top strings, then 2 5s, then 4 7s. So all of these notes are played on the top, just to mention. And then let's try again. So 0 0, 5, 5 again, so 2 5, and then 4 7s. So let me show you What Makes You Beautiful one last time. My name's Chris. If you've enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.